Over the moon. Unpacking the idiom. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a delightful phrase in the English language that's sure to add some sparkle to your conversations. Over the moon. This idiom is not just about the moon or space, but it expresses a feeling we've all experienced at some point. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to be over the moon, and how you can use this expression in your daily life. Over the moon is an idiom that means to be extremely pleased or happy. Imagine the highest level of joy and satisfaction you could feel. That's what this phrase is all about. It's as if your happiness is so strong that it could carry you over the moon. This phrase is commonly used in English-speaking countries to express a state of great delight or happiness, often caused by something wonderful or satisfying. The origins of the phrase, over the moon, are quite interesting. It's believed to have its roots in a nursery rhyme called, Hey Diddle Diddle, where the phrase goes, the cow jumped over the moon. Although this might not make much literal sense, the imagery of jumping over the moon conveys a feeling of doing something extraordinary or experiencing extreme joy. Over time, this phrase has evolved into the idiom we use today. Now, let's see how you can incorporate over the moon into your conversations. 1. Personal achievements. I was over the moon when I found out I passed my driving test on the first try. 2. Exciting news. She was over the moon when she got the job offer from her dream company. 3. Special occasions. They were over the moon when they saw the surprise birthday party we organized for them. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, each time to express a high level of happiness or satisfaction. If you want to vary your language or express a similar sentiment in a different way, you might consider using these synonyms. Ecstatic, elated, thrilled, delighted. Each of these words conveys a strong sense of happiness, much like over the moon. We hope you're now feeling a bit over the moon after learning about this charming and expressive idiom. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's about conveying emotions and experiences. And now, with over the moon in your linguistic toolkit, you're ready to express joy and delight in a fun and vivid way. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when you feel that burst of happiness in your life. See you in the next video.